Our focus this morning is on what's expected to happen post May 3rd. The centre is all set to ease restrictions in some parts of the country. This is when phase 2 of the lockdown comes to an end. Now, after reviewing this lockdown situation in a meeting, the Ministry of Home Affairs decided that the new guidelines to fight coronavirus will come into effect from May 4th. Under the new guidelines, the MHA said that considerable relaxations will be given to many districts. The government said that there have been tremendous gains and improvement in the situation. According to the MHA, new details regarding the post-May 3rd situation will be communicated in the coming days.
No matter where you live, no matter which state you live in, all indications suggest a graded lift of the lockdown post the 3rd of May. Where you live and in what corona zone you reside in will indicate how much of the restrictions will be lifted. Curbs will be lifted in green zones while life will continue to be tough in the red. Red zones identified as areas of major outbreak. Areas contributing more than 80% of corona-positive cases in the state. Following the strictest containment measures, residents there might see no change post 3rd May. The new normal will on soon. And in India, till now, there are 160 districts that have been red zoned, 123 of them with large outbreaks. The question, in what will be the benchmark to decide a red zone? Will it be a district, a locality, or even just buildings? Till now, the centre has advised states to red zone entire districts, while the ICMR has left it to the states. The states, in turn, don't want entire districts to be red zoned. But if you fall in the green zone, which means no cases recorded in the last 28 days, then there will be some semblance of the old life back. Till now, certain curbs have already been lifted. In Karnataka's green zones, shops can open with social distancing. Individual shops can open with 50% workforce. Industry in rural areas can begin. Manufacturing with access control in special economic zones. In Maharashtra, industrial activity allowed in orange and green zones. Export-oriented units and SEZs in green zones are also allowed. In the national capital, Delhi, shops with non-essential items are open. Electric fans, books, shops open. In Punjab, curfew will be relaxed from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. In Gujarat, state government offices have begun working. 4,000 industrial units outside hotspots are allowed to begin. In Kerala, government offices, financial institutions, pharmacies, agriculture activities are already allowed. While in Rajasthan, shops selling electrical goods are open, mobile recharge stationery shops open. Irrespective of May 3rd, till now, only the state of Punjab has extended lockdown for the next 2 weeks, with relaxation between 7 to 11 a.m. The other hoping just about somehow to strike a balance between the human and the economic cost of this pandemic. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.